Welcome to IGT and Tech College. You will learn computer basic skills, computer programming language, website development, website designing, mobile repairing, software and hardware. Let's go. Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to recognize DD mobile phone or normal mobile phone using multimeter. So we have two devices here, or some device model. So we're gonna test it. Use this multimeter. First we're gonna switch here. Yes, after we can start tests. So we can start test now, but don't forget to switch to diode lanes. So this is positive and this is negative. So because it's diode lanes, we're gonna use black probe to positive and red probe to negative. As you see here, black probe to negative terminal. Yes, then red to negative to any ground or to negative. We shall use two methods. As you see, we have 560. Okay, this is normal device. Even you can use like this to check again. You see, so our device is normal. That is good. So we're gonna test second mobile phone, meaning that if the phone have enough voltage, that device is good. Even when it is dead, you can repair it and successful your work. But if it don't have enough voltage, it is very dangerous. So you must do good things to repair it. So our phone is normal. Let us go to next. So the next, let me first check. Alright, check. Good. Our device is good. So we're gonna test the rest. This device, black probe to positive terminal and red to grounds or negative terminal, or can work. So black probe here on positive terminal like this, then to grounds. Let me believe you understand about ground. Yes, 0.6. My god, wow, that's 4 short circuit. Any device with such voltage is full shorted. So sometimes full shorted appear in ICs, but we have main method to fix this problem. You can watch in the previous video, or we wait for next video. So as you see, this is full short. My god, when you want to see difference between, let's say check here. You see, positive to positive is 0 error. Yes. Then when we switch on diode lanes, you see normal voltage. You see, this is normal device. But when we back to that one, it's showing same 006, meaning that is full shorted. So this is full shorted. Even battery can't help it to turn on. So nothing can happen. So let me believe you got knowledge about this. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch that video on how to fix this issue. Thank you.